What's your name? Can you do it? Actually, don't you like it? Won't you? Haven't you? No, not yet. I'll let you know. Can I get you a drink? We thought you were coming. I bet you $10 he forgot. Is that your final answer? Nature, perpetual, Victor. Did you see it? How did you like it? Could you tell? Where did you stand your checks? What did your family think? Did you find your key? Will you follow your instructions? Congratulations. Education, individual, graduation, graduate. Yet your insurance. Bless you. Press your hand together. Can you direct yourself? You can pass your exam this year. I'll try to get your A's. That is. Let him get your car for you. How your family? How was your trip? Who your friend? Where's your mom? When's your birthday? She said you're okay. Who does your hair? Casual, visual, user, version, vision. Mark, makeup, markup, breakup, check-in, look at her, drink a cup of coffee, drink up, take away, catch up, teacher, catch her, each other, call off, pull off, array, tell us, turn on, turn off, turn over. In another section, mine and yours, hold on, good at, good at, every word in. Would it be Los Angeles? Pass up. What's up? 10 years ago, living in colorist computer information. A lot of bought a cat. Light up. Picked up. Part of piece. Results. Do it. Galway, USA. To water. Say why. To war. Designs. A bees on a tree. Blackhead. Whatever. Water. 10 nice bands. 16. 5 wave. 5 ways. Dead dog. Balsam. Take care. Helpful. Night and day. Spanish. Not just mature, but you. Tomato. Tomato. I go to cinema. You're bad. You could count about.